Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix can't receive messages or notification from WhatsApp, how to fix it in Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly, if you have any message app, I will tell you in messages app. So this is the message app, you can see Google Messages. If it is not allowing you to receive messages, click on I button, but just long press it. Click on permissions, give all the permissions, and click on notification. If you have turned it off, so you will not able to receive the messages or notification from the any Google Messages application. You have to enable it to receive the application, and now this is will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.